In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a .csv file on Mailchimp, an essential skill for marketers looking to manage their audience effectively. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Mailchimp.com. Once there, log into your account with your credentials. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You're looking for the audience section, so go ahead and click on audience and then all contacts. Now, if you have multiple audiences, it's crucial to select the right one where you want your new contacts to reside. Once you've identified the correct audience, click on Manage Audience, followed by Import Contacts. This will ensure the contacts are imported into the right place and keep your list organized and relevant. Next, Mailchimp presents you with several import options, but today we'll focus on uploading a file. Select Upload a File and then click on Continue to Upload. This step is all about bringing your data into Mailchimp for future use. Now, it's time to get hands-on with your .csv file. You can either click Browse to locate your file on your computer or simply drag and drop your file directly into the upload box. After your file is in place, click Continue to Match. At this stage, Mailchimp attempts to auto-detect the columns in your file, such as email, first name, or last name. It's crucial to verify this information carefully. Make sure the email address field is accurately matched with the email column. If you have other custom data like birthdays or phone numbers, ensure all relevant fields are appropriately matched. If a column you need is marked as skip, click to modify it to the correct Mailchimp field. You also have the option to create new fields if necessary, a handy feature if your data requires flexible categorization. As you proceed, consider tagging or grouping your newly imported contacts. This step is optional but highly recommended. Tags can be a powerful way to segment your audience later. For instance, you could use a tag like Imported October 2025 or Newsletter signups to keep things organized. After adding tags, if any, click Continue to Organize. Moving on, you'll review your import. Mailchimp will display a summary, perhaps something like, "You're about to import 500 contacts into audience newsletter list." Take this moment to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Import. After completion, you'll receive a confirmation message that reads something along the lines of, "Your contacts have been successfully imported." You can now view these contacts immediately under Audience, All Contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your .csv file into Mailchimp. This method streamlines contact management and enhances your marketing automation capabilities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.